All right, y'all, let's go for another session. So it's going to be the session number 12. So session number 12, we need to make 15 cents, okay? Let's try to wrap this challenge up and see if we can conclude the challenge reaching the 100 bucks target. But, essentially, if you're going to stick to it, we need to finish with 97.31. So let's go ahead and let's have a look. So everything is good. So let me look for an opportunity. Okay, we have SAR here. We are in the uptrend, so he's doing high highs, high lows as well. So we're just waiting to see a stop in this downtrend, and see the price start pushing up, so we can place our trades. So, oh, God, I get lost. So something like this. Okay, so we got a pattern here: low, high, low, high, low, high. So you're just looking to see it's coming very close to this previous low. So let's see how it's going to play out. Where is it? So let's see if it reaches this low and gets pushed back up. Okay, we start seeing some green lines, green lines, green candles, but candles are still weak, still very weak, still not momentum. Sellers, buyers still not pushing the price up. And keep in mind, this is 84% payouts. So let's see how this is going to play out. Okay, seems like it's going to push back up, back to the pattern. Still not showing much confidence here, even though it's back in the pattern. Okay, now it's pushing, still pushing back. And this was the second candle, this is the third candle. But it's inside the pattern, as you can see there. So I might just leave it alone. So over here we got 1, 2, 3 candles, and then small dodgy candles. 1, 2, 3, small dodgy candles, 1, and that's it. Okay, it's pushing back up. I feel like I already missed my shot on this one, so I'm just gonna move along. Okay, we got Bitcoin here, so let's have a look. So Bitcoin is a downtrend, as you can see right here. We missed this first candle. Well, this was just weak candle, but we got this second candle. But the thing is, you've done that thing in the past, so we're just looking to see if it's going to break out to the downside or not. Because you can see we had this very bearish and then bullish, and then a weak candle, bearish, and then let's see how this one's going to play out. But we're looking to see a breakout to the downside, so sell positions here. Okay, seems like it's going to crank down. 8 seconds on this one. This is a very bearish candle. Let's see. We are in. We are in. We are in on a third trade. Ooh, that's a very very bullish candle. Let's see. We got 2 trades in. We got the first one. Oh, I pushed up on the last second. Okay, got us. Let's have a look. So we lost the first, second. We lost the third one. What, 248? Okay. 248. 248. No, it's 154. 154, 154 to 48. Okay, that's it. Because we got this third one, and this one we lost by 1 point. God damn it. That would be a nice win. That would take us to close to session profit. But anyway, so that was a fake one. As you could see, I was a bit skeptical at the beginning, but it turned out to be right because it's not going down as I was expecting. Okay, I'm still gonna pursue this one because it doesn't look like it's gonna break out to the upside. It's slowly going down, so we're gonna try to catch the next. This is a very bearish one. Try to catch the next kind of second trade. Okay, we got the first one. We got the second one. Okay, so that brought us back. So we started with 97, so it's still down a buck or something. So this one is a very tricky one. It really doesn't want to go down, but we're still gonna try to get the sell trades. This one is really doesn't want to go down. Da-da. You can do one here. So let's see how it looks like now. Sellers are clearly in control, as you can see right here. It's slowly going down, but it's just not a straight down like this one right here in the past. It's just taking its time. Okay, it's cranking down. This is not a good sign. Let me have a look around. Okay, we got Bitcoin right here. So we could see that the price, we traded over here, but we missed a few shots because the trends was shifting. And as you can see, it's starting to form higher highs and also higher lows. So right now it's coming over here. It's very close to this line. So it's touching the 50 SMA. So potentially it's going to have a continuation to the upside. And hopefully we'll follow this pattern alone. So we are looking to see what's going to happen on this candle. And if it turns out to be bullish, we're going to press buy on the next candle. Who is pushing down too much, which is not good. He's going down. Right, so it's going down. So let's see how far it will go. Hopefully will not go too low because maybe just grabbing liquidity. We still want to, okay, it's going too low now, which is not good for us here. Why this thing keeps on bugging me? Right, so yeah, seems like it's not going to go as planned. As you can see, it's breaking the structure, and seems like it's going to have a continuation to the downside. Seems like this was just liquidity grab to have a continuation to the downside. In the meantime, we had Cardano, so we might have a play on Cardano instead. It's coming over here to the zone. He's doing higher highs. He failed to do the next high, so this one is lower than this one. So potentially, it's going to have a rejection. So we're looking to place sell positions here. So let's see what's going to happen over here with Cardano. If it's going to get rejected, if it is, then we will sell. See this consolidation area here. Okay, seems like it's pushing down now. It's getting rejected, which is what we were expecting to see. Okay, it's pushing. So let's have a look at the next candle. Seems like it's not going to be the next candle yet because it's still into mines. Oh no, okay. That last second push was very damn it. I didn't expect that last second push. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I was about to say yeah, because the week is very long. I was about to say buyers are still pushing up, but the last second was very unexpected, so it got me there. And that would be a nice catch because look at this nice dump. So this is the second candle. The third candle might not be as strong, but it's still pushing down. Let's go in. It might be a bit too late, but let's see. Ooh, he pulled in the last second. Ah, he pulled in the last second. Okay, we are in a second trade. We got that one. But we got bugged, unfortunately. And I missed out on the second candle, which is the exact candle that we're supposed to go. But it is what it is, right? We cannot catch them all. Right, so let's see what's happening. So this is an area of interest as well. We can look over here. You can see they consolidated a lot in the past. That's why it stopped there. Okay. So yeah, the second candle was the candle to trade. And we missed for 4 points. This one we won for 4 points. Okay. Right, so potentially it's going to come over here, retest this zone again before I have a continuation to the downsides. We can also see if we draw a trend line here, something like this. As you can see, it's doing higher lows, lower highs, I mean, and it's also lower lows. So we got 1, 2, and potentially going to have the third one down here somewhere. But first of all, we need to break this zone right here before we have a continuation to the next low. So you might consolidate over here a little bit, even come to this line, test this line one more time before it gets rejected. And yeah, let me see what's Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is not going up. So Bitcoin might come over here to test this area before it gets rejected, but it's too messy, so I'm not going to touch Bitcoin. Right, so let me pause it here. Let me look around and let me see if I can find more opportunities. Okay, Cardano seems like it's going to crank down. It's turning very bearish here. It's consolidating a little bit, but feels like it's going to push down. Seems like it's going to break below this zone. And from here might be a free fall till to the previous low right here. So we might have an opportunity here. So let's see how this candle is going to close. Okay, it's pushing up too much. This was a very bearish one. So this one I was expecting to be very bearish too. But green is not good for us because we can see it's consolidating. But it's going low. It's doing lower lows. It's in this zone right here, consolidating. So just gotta wait and see what's gonna happen. It might take some time here. Okay, it's pushing. It's breaking out of that zone. So we might have a push. Ooh, it's pushing up too much. It's a very bullish candle. I think I'm just gonna leave it alone altogether because this is not the best chart for us. It's going up and down, up and down, up and down. We want down, 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 or up, up, up. When it goes like this, it is not good for trading because you might thinking that yeah, because you got the bearish one, the next one's going to be bearish too, and then next one is green, bullish green. Okay, so but we can see the price is breaking out that consolidation zone, so potentially it's going to fall any minute. That's what I'm hoping to see. Seller's definitely in control here. Seller's definitely pushing the price. Okay, he's pushing, but does he have the momentum? No. See, this is what I'm talking about. At some point, you got red candles pushing down, and then all of a sudden, you got very bullish candles. But sellers start still in control here. Okay, let's have a look at this one right here. So he's on a downtrend. He's picking the 50 SMA. So let's see if he's going to get rejected. If it is, we're going to go down with it. So we're going to sell it. Let's see what's going to happen here. So the momentum is slowing down, which is good to see. So this one potentially is going to be a red doji candle. And if it is, we will take the next trade. Let's see, 4 seconds. It's looking good. Okay, we are in. We are in. Let's hope that it keeps pushing down. We are in again. And we got 3 trades. Ooh, it's pushing. Ooh, it's pushing up too much. Today is not a good day. We got killed, and we're gonna get killed on this one. Okay, so we didn't win any trade. So 154 done. So next one is 248. 2.48. 2.48. 2.48. The next one is 413. 4.13. Okay, here's the bearish candle that I was looking for. Damn, I wasn't expecting this very bullish candle. And this thing might even go sideways because the way it's looking right now, is not going to crank down on the next candle. We got a zone here. That's why it's reacting there. It's got a zone. So let's see if he's going to go out of this zone to the downside or found support here and it's going to crank up. Right now, it's looking like it's going to crank up. So we might not sell on this one. So let me have a look around. Okay, let's have a look at this one. So we are on the uptrend. Uptrend, I got a pullback, uptrend, uptrend, and we have another pullback. It's coming very close to the 50 SMA. So let's see what's gonna happen here. We got this zone right here. So it might react to this zone right there. So let's see if he's gonna push up on the next candle. So this is the first one. So he might take a trade on the second one if he continues to be bullish like it is right now. Let's see, looks good. It's looking good, yeah. Okay, we are in. Two seconds. And we got it. Okay, we only had time to place one trade because that was a nice pump. Okay. So we managed to recoup some. So we started with 97.30 something. So we just down $2 and something. All right, so let me have a look around and let me see if I can find another opportunity. Okay, we got the same scenario, but I think I'm a bit late for this one. Let's have a look. Still haven't touched the zone. So we can see that it was doing a sort of sideways movement. Over here, we can see the highs, they were not that high. So this one is very similar to this one. Then we have this nice pump. So this high is higher than the previous one. So I'm looking to see if the price is going to use this area as support. Okay, it's pumping up. Support before have a continuation to the upside. But I'm not very confident because this zone right here, we had lots of consolidation, so we might struggle. So this is the third candle. So ideally, is the second candle that we need to catch. So we might be a little bit late for this one. Mm-mm. Okay, still going. I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, we got Cardano. So Cardano was on a downtrend, just doing lower highs. Then came over here, found support over here, broke the structure, and we got a new high. So I'm looking to see if he's gonna come over here to this zone right here to retest it before I have a continuation to the upside. If that's the case, we're gonna play a buy position. It didn't go quite there yet, so let's see what's gonna happen. I was expecting the next candle to be a red one as well, to come over here very close to the 50 SMA before a continuation to the upside, or even test this area right here. It hasn't tested yet, so might be skeptical about it. I might just have to leave it alone because it doesn't have the movement yet. Okay, we got Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Right here. Bitcoin, it's on a downtrend. You can see that it's on a downtrend. It's coming to test the 50 SMA, but Bitcoin is disappointing today. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. I thought this third candle would be another red candle to go down, but it doesn't look that way. So you might have to take two other plans, other things in mind. Mm, right, not much is happening, guys. The market is very slow, so I might just call it a day with a loss, with $2 down or something like that, because the market is not doing what it's supposed to do. Alibaba said a nice dump. Okay, let's have a quick look at this one. So it failed to recover from here and have a continuation to the upside. So we're looking to see if um, if it's going to come to this zone right here and get rejected, or it's going to recover and go up. And Bitcoin, where is Bitcoin? Oh, it just dropped 72%. Forget about it. Cardano. Yeah, we were expecting to hit the 50 SMA, but it didn't touch it, so we left it alone. So this is going to be my final play. So if this one cranks up to the upside, then I'm just going to leave it alone and call it a loss with $2 because I've got some other stuff to do. And the markets, they're not really looking good today. As you can see, all the charts are messy. So it's breaking straight through this zone. Alibaba is recovering. So you just on the lookout for this one. Okay, it's getting rejected because that was the previous high right there. So let's see what's going to happen. Is it going to recover? It doesn't look like it's going to recover, but at the same time, we cannot be 100% sure about it. AUDNZ, okay, that's the one. So just have a quick look around while we wait to see what's going to happen with this one. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to go down, does it? Keeps going up. So I think just gonna call it a day. Some days we just lose. That's just part of the process. Okay. Oh, he's retesting the 50 SMA. Okay, let's see how it's gonna play out now. Okay, went there to retest the 50 SMA. Hopefully that will be the case. Which one are you? MZ there. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Seems like he just came over here to test the 50 SMA. But yeah, momentum's still not there yet. But seems like he's gonna go down for sure. But it might take some time, might take some consolidation. And like I said, I ain't got much time left, so I'm just gonna call it a day. Not much is happening. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna trade sideways. Yeah, guys, unfortunately, okay, it's not that strong, very small candles. Yeah, seems like this one is not gonna go down after all. I was expecting it to go down, but seems like it's gonna go up. But it might take some time to crank up. So momentum is very, very slow. And not much else is happening, as you can see. So I'm gonna call it a day. Polygon, Polygon is breaking. It's doing higher highs, higher lows. This one got double top here. Okay, we might have Polygon. We might have Polygon. Oh, Polygon is pumping up. We might have Polygon. Okay, it's looking good. Let's see in the next candle. Push down a little bit. Oh, no, not up. No, no, no. Okay, we are in. We are in. We are in. We lost the first one. We won the second one. And we won the third one. Okay, 97.05. 97.21 we started. So we just down 15 cents. Ooh, it's been a crazy ride, guys. It's been a crazy ride. But like I said, I need to shoot off. So I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to take this 15 cents loss because the market is not really doing much. Yeah, it's just not doing much. So we're just going to take that loss of 15 cents and we're going to try again tomorrow. It's been a crazy ride today, guys. The market is just all over the place. It's been hard to find good entries, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna take that loss. So 97.05 and 97.05. So we are down 16 cents. So we lost on this session. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.